Today experiment is related to the demultiplexer. As we know, multiplexer is many is to 1 and demux is 1 is to many. We are having this 1 is to 4 demux block. This is the data input, single data input, that we can give it either it is a 1 or 0. We will get 4 data output D0, D1, D2, D3, and these are the two control input. These data outputs will depends upon the control input. If we are having two control input, then it means we are having the 4 data lines. If we are having 3 control input, or we can say select lines, then output lines will be the 8, 0 to D7. If these select lines are 4, then the output lines will be the D0 to D15, mean total 16 lines. So we will see here how this demux will perform. This output, this input will appear either one of the D0, D1, D2 or D3, and selection of the D0, D1, D2, D3 will depends upon the select line S0, S1 and S0. For example, we are having this data input. These are the select lines, and we are getting output at D0, D1, D2 and D3. If select lines are 0, 0, it means the D0 output line is selected. So the output will appear here 1 if data input is 1. It will appear 0 if the data input is 0. Rest there will be no output at these lines, right? Then after that, this data input is selected 0, 1. Then if data input is 1, we will we will get the output at D1, 1. If it is 0, the output will be 0. Rest all the inputs will be 0. Then if it is 1, 0, it means the data D2 line will be selected. If it is 1, output at D2 will be 1. If it is 0, the output at D2 will be 0. Rest there will be output remain 0. Now if the select line will be 1, 1 and the data input is 1, 1, 1 mean the D3 line will be selected and the output will appear 1 at the D3 line and rest will be 0. If this data input is 0, then this 0 will appear at the output. Same thing we will see on the demonstration board. This is the 1:4 line demultiplexer kit, and this is the internal diagram using the AND gates. These lines are showing S1 S0. We can draw this circuit by S1 S0 bar, S1 S0 bar. We can discuss the concept of this by the table S1 bar, S1 S0 bar D0, S1 bar S0 D1, S1 S0 bar D2, S1 S0 D3. So there will be requirement of AND gate, AND gate, AND gate, AND gate, and all are the combined with the OR gate. So see here, this is the 1:4 demux, and this is a power on button. These are the control lines represented by A and B. If we this is the 1 and 0, and this is a data input. For example, firstly we will turn on the kit and make the select line. This is 0 position and this is a 1 position. I have made A and B is equal to 0, 0. So the output line D0 will be selected, and the output this is 1. If I will make it 0, the D0 output will be 0, rest output will be 0. Now if I am selecting 0, 1, then output will appear at the data line 1. If it is 1, it will appear as 1, and otherwise output will be 0. Now we are selecting 1, 0, then the D2 line will be selected. If data input is 1, the D2 will be 1, otherwise D2 will be 0. Now 1, 1, if both input are 1, 1, the output will appear at the D3. If it is 1, the output will be 1. If it is 0, the output will be 0. So we can see the concept of 1:4 line multiplexer by selecting the different data lines. Thank you.